Radio USB readers, Pyle marine receiver and speaker kit have an AM/FM stereo radio tuning. It also features USB flash and SD memory card readers with aux, 3.5 mm, input connector jack to connect and stream audio from external devices. LCD and control buttons. The in-dash receiver features ID3 that tag song readout for artist name or song title in the LCD digital display panel. It also has an illuminated front panel button controls for rear panel RCA, L, R, and preset equalizer EQ. Bluetooth and microphone. Built-in Bluetooth for wireless music streaming receiver and integrated front panel microphone for hands-free calling. It is compatible with all of your favorite Bluetooth devices like iPhone, Android, smartphones, iPad, etc. 2 WAY cone speakers. Pyle marine receiver includes two 5.25 speakers with marine-grade waterproof construction. The speaker is packed with 4 ohm impedance rating, 20 ounces circuit magnet, 0.75, aluminum voice coil, and 100 Hz to 18 kHz frequency response. Stereo Headunit. The Headunit receiver is packed with single DIN universal size standard at 300 watts power peak that supports USB SD memory up to 32 GB. It measures 178 wx 108 dx 50 hm in chassis dimension. It also includes all power wiring harness. Top reviews from the United States. Nice sound and nice faceplate. Simple to install. It took 1 hour to install the radio and 2 speakers. I replaced a radio and speakers that JAD stopped working. Speaker wire and power wiring were in place. BT works perfectly. Sound is better than expected. I read some reviews the radio didn't work. You have to wire up the ignition and power wires together to the hot wire from the boat if the radio doesn't require the key to be in the on or start position. Everything works as expected.